Some major changes are unfolding, changes that will positively impact the price of XRP through the end of the year and pave the path forward for true institutional support and trillions of dollars more in inflows. And these are no small events, as one of the largest crypto asset managers has now confirmed a spot ETF filing. So what would that mean for the price of XRP, and how would that impact XRP investors? Then, in another major announcement, gold-backed stablecoins are now confirmed to be coming to the XRPL ledger, providing more utility in a global market, further solidifying Ripple's tech dominance in the crypto market. And both of these announcements come right off the back of the news surrounding Ripple's new RLUSD stablecoin, which is set to hit markets soon. This move is pivotal in Ripple's business model, will increase the price of XRP, and is confirmed by BlackRock's entrance into the stablecoin market as it prepares for a fiat currency collapse. All while other major economic players like Dubai have now approved Ripple for a financial services license. All this said, it's going to be a strong end to the year for Ripple and XRP, and a packed out video. So stay tuned to the end to know how to prepare for the upcoming months. And as always, if you're feeling blessed and bullish, comment 777. And if you're going to be the wealthiest person in your family tree, smash the subscribe button. Before we dive in, a quick reminder that the opinions in this video are for informational and educational purposes only and do not constitute financial, legal, or investment advice. All investments, including cryptos, carry risks and potential losses. Always do your own research and consult with a licensed financial advisor. We are not licensed financial advisors, and relying on our content for financial decisions is at your own risk. By watching this video, you agree we are not responsible for any losses or damages, and we do not guarantee any specific results or outcomes. Some of the links below may be affiliate links, and we may earn a commission, which actually helps support this channel and helps us to create value-based videos like this. We also hold some positions in the cryptocurrencies that we talk about, but that's only because we do what we believe in. However, this should not be interpreted as a recommendation for you to do the same. With that said, let's get into the video. Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul, and if you've been paying attention at all, gold has been on an absolute tear since February this year, consistently trending up, putting in higher highs and higher lows, and is currently up about 33%. Now, that's actually a pretty big move in gold, considering it doesn't really move that aggressively, and it is a very large market, so it's typically harder for something like gold to grow 33% in a year, much less a half of a year. But that's what makes this announcement so exciting, as Ripple announced a tokenized gold coming to the XRP ledger this year. Now, the company in question is Meld.Gold, which basically creates a new standard in gold, or creates a real world asset. So it's like the RWA of gold. Essentially, it's tokenizing gold on the blockchain. They go and buy it and hold it in reserves while you buy the digital asset. And in their recent post, they explained how they will be coming to the XRP ledger. Now, the reasoning for going to the XRPL ledger is the fact that as a decentralized layer 1 blockchain, they are known for their reliability and stability in tokenizing and exchanging crypto native and real world assets. The XRP ledger offers institution grade functionality and built-in features to enable secure, efficient, and scalable financial services and use cases. So it's not going to only be Meld Gold in the future, but I do believe this provides a strong testimony to the fact that they are going to be reliable, secure, efficient, and now they've proven themselves to be consistent as a major player in the blockchain ecosystem. But it's not just gold, as they will also be launching silver tokens, which will be live this Q3. So this move will further solidify XRPL as blockchain for institutional players and in now the real world asset class. And maybe this explains why Ripple has now received an in-principle approval from the Dubai Financial Services Authority. And in this article from October 1st this year, they have secured a principal approval to expand services from the Dubai International Financial Center, or the DIFC. They are going to roll out and offer their enterprise-grade digital asset infrastructure to a broader customer base in the UAE. And Ripple will now be the very first blockchain-enabled payment service provider to be licensed by the DFSA, the independent regulator of financial services conducted in or from the DIFC. Again, tremendous news moving forward. Now, if you've been on the channel for a while, it's no secret that Ripple is now making major moves in the stablecoin market as they are launching their RLUSD stablecoin, and they're going to offer it for a wide variety of use cases to institutional clients, to their retail clients, so on and so forth. And I believe the reason they're doing this is because stablecoins create a consistent cash cow or cash flow business. Tether generated more profit than BlackRock last year. Tether was at 6.2 billion. By the way, that was with 100 employees, whereas BlackRock has 20,000 employees and only generated about $5.5 billion in profit. This has led BlackRock to want to double down on the stablecoin market. As they expect it to be at least $16 trillion by 2030, they are now backing a radical new US dollar rival amid a Bitcoin and crypto price boom. And they plan to do it through Ethena Labs, which currently has the largest tokenized US Treasuries fund with over 522 million in assets. In other words, it is proven. And the name of this is BIDL, right? Or like build, provides USTB with a secure foundation. Now, this is important because it is a nod or a sign of approval from a major player who has a lot of data, is the largest asset manager in the world, and both Ripple and BlackRock are moving in the same direction, as BlackRock is now not only tokenizing assets, but is doubling down in the entire crypto ecosystem. Which leads me to the biggest news of all. Bitwise is now taking a step forward with an XRP spot ETF, and the firm registered a trust entity in the state of Delaware on Tuesday. Now, this is massive because both Bitwise, BlackRock, and even Fidelity all filed trust entities for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and they all have approved ETFs. The next major one on the list is now XRP, which opens the door for trillions of dollars in pensions and retirements from institutional players to access XRP in a regulated manner. And in a bullish environment, this will likely push XRP past all-time highs. And for those of you guys who don't understand the gravity of this situation, Bitwise positioning to file for the XRP ETF is a highly noteworthy because they are a highly credible crypto native fund firm that doesn't just throw stuff at the wall. It's simply not in their DNA, according to Nate Garassi. And to double verify, even the Cointelegraph shared this news as a Bitwise spokesperson confirmed to the Cointelegraph that the filing submitted on the Delaware government website is official, because I know a lot of the times on social media platforms people share a lot of misinformation, but this is truly verified. They are filing ahead of schedule and early because they are confident that they want to get ahead of the ball game and that the election is likely going to go in favor of someone like Gary Gensler being out of the picture and a spot ETF for XRP being approved. Now, this is truly a major development because when the Bitcoin spot ETF was listed back here in January, you can see that the price of Bitcoin actually skyrocketed about 84%, and that is for a $1 trillion asset. XRP is currently sitting at like $35 billion. So a spot ETF has the potential to push it past many hundreds of percent, and again, likely to new all-time highs. Now, that said, let's take a look at the price action on XRP over the last few days. Recently, we did have a bit of a sell-off, or at least 3 days of a sell-off, and we are touching right back into this support range right here at about 57 to 58 cents. That said, the trend still remains intact, even though the news surrounding Israel and Iran spooked the markets and created for a bit of a sell-off. We are still trending to the upside. In other words, the break right above here, which we were hoping would actually continue to the upside right here on September 29th, actually failed and created what I would call a bear trap, right? We had a higher high right here. However, the price broke down and trapped anyone in this situation. That said, I think this is another dip buying opportunity as long as we remain above this green trend line and even above the 57-cent range. Dip buying opportunities are great because right now it looks highly likely we're going to break above into the 74-cent range, and this would create for an opportunity that if you did want to play a swing or a move to the upside, now you have an opportunity to make about 26 to 27%. Now that said, I do want to give a disclaimer. Just because I'm sharing that that is an opportunity doesn't mean it's going to happen, doesn't mean that you're going to play it well, doesn't mean you're going to make money. However, I would say it is a higher probability that it likely continues trending up, considering we have a series of higher lows. And again, as the old phrase goes, the trend is your friend. And, as the full phrase goes, the trend is your friend until the bend at the end. It doesn't look like we're at the bend at the end. It looks like this is another dip buying opportunity. But what I will say is, with all of the positive catalysts, if you're not looking to just swing trade it or day trade something like XRP, but you truly want to be a holder because of all of the positive catalysts we just mentioned, and you believe the price of XRP is going to be far bigger than it is right now in the future, then head on down to the description below and click the link for bullrunners.com/CryptoLand, and you can see it right here on my actual cursor, or you can just click the link down below. It'll take you to a page like this where you can discover how to earn crypto in less than 10 minutes with the #1 play to earn XRP game. In this short 8-minute video, it explains exactly how it works, and then in 3 simple steps, you get an XRP wallet, you get your game pieces, you play the game to earn crypto. The crypto is directly convertible for XRP. So if you're truly one of those people that's like, you know what, I'm already going to sit and hold XRP for a while, I might as well put my XRP to work for me, right? And this is going to be great because not only does it reduce your volatility in the case we get some sort of a black swan event, or maybe things escalate in the Middle East and markets continue to sell off a bit, because again, a lot of these markets that are risk on asset classes are tethered, right? They're tightly correlated. So if one goes down, the other goes down. That's because the same people are trading them, the same algorithms are trading them, whether it is XRP or Bitcoin or the S&P 500. So not only will this game help you to reduce your volatility, but it will also help you to stack onto that XRP bag so you have more XRP into this end of the year bull run, which we are thoroughly expecting to start this month in October. So yes, time is running out, and I do believe this is a great opportunity for you at least to check out. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Click on the link down below in the description to find out more and just check it out. That's all you've got to do. So thanks so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed something, if you learned something, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, like the video, it helps us out, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Goodbye.